Guys, this is a Saniflo system on a house, and I can't recommend this at all. So you turn on the shower, and behind the toilet, it it burps. It keeps the toilet going. So there's basically no main drain for this toilet, and so it's a very strange system. And I would say when you flush the toilet, it does the same thing as well. You can see it's all this behind here. Kind of makes a mess back there. This is meant if you don't have a drain in a house, and I would say it's very easily to clog, and it's just not something I would recommend. In fact, the plumbing there is sort of backing up. But they also have it on this sink under here. And this is a house that somebody flipped, and they turned the garage into here. And same thing here, when you turn these on, it makes a noise down here. And this is a slab floor house that has no drain. So if you're wondering how these systems works, or you ever see one of these, I don't recommend these. I would be on the lookout. It looks like you could have nothing but plumbing problems if you're buying a house with one of these. I would say only get one of these if you use it for yourself and you're willing to deal with it. But that is a monstrosity behind this toilet. It is called the Saniflo System. It flushes like an R&D toilet. Looks like it could easily clog. You get a tampon stuck in there, and you are really done for. Let me tell you, this is the messiest for sale house I've ever seen. The shower drains into the toilet. It has a little sensor there so it doesn't back up. Saniflo, I would avoid it at all costs, but I'm just showing you a demo of how this really awful system works. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks.